This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom McClellan. Mount Vernon, a 55-plus community, with a maintenance-free lifestyle without limits, located just a 5-minute drive to beautiful sandy beaches on the Gulf of Mexico. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with glass and screen enclosed lanai for an expanded living area or open to a cool evening breeze overlooking a lake and a partial upper-level view of the sunset Sarasota Bay. Park your car under the assigned carport near your front door. You name it, this community probability has it. A remodeled clubhouse with a library, a game room with a billiards table, and for the musically inclined, a piano. Pool area with spa, tennis courts, shuffleboard, a pitch and putt green, and a butterfly garden for just meditating and enjoying nature just outside your door. That's not all. At walking paths, a bayfront park, pavilion on a lake, a kayak launch, dockage for a boat, limited availability, and RV boat storage, limited availability. The social and activities calendar is jam-packed to meet up with residents with similar interests. Your monthly fees also include management on site, reserves in place, and fidelity bond for protection, maintaining the exterior of the buildings and the grounds along with the amenities. The condo comes with cable TV, 200 channels, internet access, 100 MP, water, sewer, garbage, and pest control. Sorry, you'll need to find other accommodations for your pet. This is what living in Florida is all about. Come see for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Tom McClellan at 941-720-1500.